Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
This guide shows how to use your iPhone as an OBS camera source. You will learn required apps, cabling, and network options for reliable video. Required items include an iPhone, OBS on PC or Mac, and a Lightning or USB-C cable. Alternatively, you can use a Wi-Fi connection, but expect higher latency and possible frame drops. Recommended apps are OBS Camera Plugin or NDI-HX, and Epoch Cam or Camo for USB options. Also prepare a tripod and good lighting for stable, clean video. Begin by installing OBS on your computer and opening its settings menu. Install the companion app on the iPhone such as OBS Camera, NDI-HX, Epoch Cam, or Camo. For wired use, connect the iPhone via Lightning or USB-C and enable Trust on the phone. For wireless use, connect both devices to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for lower latency. Add a new video capture device or NDI source in OBS and select the iPhone feed. Adjust resolution to 1280. If video lags, switch to a wired USB connection and reduce OBS canvas resolution. Close background apps on the iPhone to free CPU and lower thermal throttling risks. Use the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and keep the router near your devices for stability. Enable hardware acceleration in OBS and increase process priority if your CPU permits. Manage audio by using either the iPhone mic or a separate USB microphone for clarity. Test a 10-minute recording to confirm sync, bitrate, and temperature before streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.